Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a quick review on this tropical rainforest terrarium background, and it's honestly the total opposite of what I expected, but in a positive way. So I thought I was gonna get more of a plastic kind of material, kind of a vinyl material, but it's actually a cloth background for your terrariums. And so it just comes in this plastic bag, so it's not really packaged, I guess, well, but it's simple and it's fine. Comes with the instructions and then the stickers. This is a two-sided clear sticker, and there's 4. And so this is the cloth, the background pretty much, and I really like it. Like I said, I thought it was going to be a plastic, but it's actually a cloth, and I would recommend that you iron this cloth a little bit to like stretch out these creases, because you probably might or might not tell when you have it on. But even in the instructions, I already read them, and it said they recommend you to iron it from the back. So I'm gonna actually do that myself. I have a steamer, and so that's probably gonna be a lot easier on the cloth. But very nice material. As you can see, the picture is very clear, and because it's on a cloth, I don't know, it makes it look really nice. The color is really vibrant. I highly recommend it, especially for the price. It's really nice. Just that one point, just make sure you iron it, because if you want it to look good, you have to have a perfectly straight cloth. But it's very, like, you can probably even stretch it out a little bit, but just iron it and it would probably be perfect after that. Honestly, I really like it. I can't wait to put it on my terrarium that I have. And honestly, I think if you're looking to buy this, you definitely should. It's definitely worth the money. As you can see, it looks really good. I have these artificial plants over here, and overall I'm very happy with how it looks. As you can see, there is some kind of little bit of creasing right here, but what it is, it still isn't done yet. So I did put one of the little stickers, double-sided stickers right here. You can't really see it, but it is there. And then there is another one on this other top corner. You can't see it as well, but there it is right here. And for the middle, I have this magnet. This is a magnetic plant, and so I was able to kind of pull the background upwards and kind of hold it with the magnet. So I will have to kind of get another magnet and maybe pull this upwards a little more, because it does hang a little bit. I also have 2 more double-sided tapes that have to go in the bottom corners, but honestly, I don't feel like I need something in the bottom. I guess I could if I wanted to, but I'd rather get the top right. And so I can also put like another magnet, another small magnet, and just lift this up. If I were to lift that top side up just a little bit, it would look very good. And honestly, the color saturation on this background and everything about it, it's the cloth thickness and everything about it is really good. This little crease that happens, that's just me. I just have to do a little more custom work to it, maybe put the sticker up here or a magnet. But other than that, I'm very happy, very satisfied. I don't know the size of the one that I'm currently using, but they have every single size available. So you just measure your own tank and just get the one for your corresponding tape. For your corresponding tank. And overall, I give it a 5 out of 5 for sure. I think she does too.